Good evening everyone. So today I'm going to give you basics of digital electronics, that is basically simply digital gates, and their implementation is shown by the software, that is DATES. Okay, so we'll be basically discussing three gates, right? So these are inverter, that is NOT gate, second gate is OR, and third gate is AND. So quickly discuss the functionality of each, and see these are the other gates that are derived from that. So I'll be discussing the functionalities of each and every one along with the truth table. So first gate is inverter, or I can say simply NOT gate. So the NOT gate is represented by a symbol that looks like this, and its truth table is given as, let's say A is my input and A bar is my output. So there are possibly two options. So A, this is A bar, right? The inputs can be 0 and 1. So output can be 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, right? So similarly, other gate, that is AND gate. So AND gate has basically two inputs, which is like A and B. Okay, this is the symbol, and let's say output is Y. So we'll quickly draw the truth table and we'll just see the options. So if there are two inputs, the number of possible combinations will be 4. So it will be 0 0, it can be 0 1, it can be 1 0, or it can be 1 1. So there are 4 options in all. Now the functionality of the AND gate is, if both the inputs are high, then only output will be high. For rest of the combinations, that is 0 0 combination, it will be 0. For 0 1 combination, it is again 0. For 1 0 combination, it is again 0. So AND gate, mathematically or the logically, the equation is represented by Y is equal to A dot B. We forgot to write the equation for NOT gate. So Y is equal to A bar, where Y we are representing it as output. Quickly discussing about the third gate, that is the OR gate. So the OR gate is represented symbolically like this. Again, it has minimum 2 inputs. So this is input A, this is input B, this is output Y. We'll be quickly drawing the truth table of this. So this is, again there are 4 inputs, or sorry, 4 possible combinations, which is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and lastly there is one more combination, that is 1 1. The functionality of OR gate is something like this. When both the inputs are low, the output will be low, and for every other combination it will be high. See, this is what we are going to verify in the implementation part. So kindly please remember the truth tables along with the symbols, and we'll be implementing 2 input gates and multiple input gates with the software. Okay, for now, thank you.